Have you ever wondered what happens to all those gases factories release into the air? Well, some of them don't just disappear, they team up with nature to create something dangerous: acid rain. It all starts here, at the source. Power plants, factories, and even vehicles release gases like sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxides into our atmosphere. These invisible invaders might seem harmless, but they are anything but. Once in the atmosphere, these gases undergo a transformation. Sunlight and oxygen act like chemical chefs, triggering reactions that turn these pollutants into acidic compounds. Next, these newly formed acids mix with water vapor in the clouds. What comes out of this high-altitude chemistry experiment? Acidic clouds, heavy with potential energy. When it rains, it's no longer just water falling from the sky. It's acid rain, rain with a pH much lower than normal, capable of damaging trees, corroding buildings, and even acidifying lakes. But why does this happen in the first place? The main culprits are human activities, burning fossil fuels, industrial emissions, and transportation. All these sources pump sulfur and nitrogen compounds into the atmosphere, starting the chain reaction that leads to acid rain. So, to recap, factories release gases into the air, where they react in the atmosphere and transform into acids. These acids mix with water vapor, turning ordinary clouds into acidic ones. Eventually, precipitation falls back to Earth, and that's how acid rain makes its journey from sky to soil. Acid rain is more than a scientific phenomenon. It's a reminder of how human activity interacts with nature. The next time it rains, think about what might be in those drops and how small changes can make a big difference for our planet.